first drinks of the cruise. Our usual glass of Moscato and Michelob Ultra. Cheers, honey.
Cheers. You know, a cruise ship just ain't a cruise ship without tangy taste of Michelob Ultra.
You're ridiculous, you know that, right?
No, I'm honest.
That's funny.
Cheers, everybody. Alright, so this is Elisa going live right now, and I'm recording her going live.
Oh, Jason got the camera.
Hey!
Yeah, so he's
I'm recording Elisa going live. Cheers, everybody! Ah.
Yes, that bar is amazing. I love that it's this big circular bar and you can walk
That's my buddy Ryan over there. There he is.
Ryan.
What's say, Ryan?
Y'all gonna see a lot of
I'm filming Elisa go live. This is cool.
This is cool. Alright, I'm gonna step down. We can both get in the video again.
Okay. I'm filming us.
There we go.
Watching you. Watch us live, if that makes sense. Anyway. Alright, I think I'll cut this off. So, thank God for NFL Network. We have the app on our phone, so we decided we're going to watch the game right here in the observatory room.
Where there's a will, there's a way. When you want to watch football,
Where there's an iPhone.
Yeah, and an internet connection.
And an NFL app. First of all, thanks for all the updates, guys. Whenever we told everybody we couldn't watch the game, everybody kept sending us updates.
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks guys for that.
That's awesome. Woo! So now we're at 23. Oh, it didn't go? What?
There's a flag.
Oh, well, dang it. All right, we're gonna watch the game a bit. So we're about to go to muster drill, but we're out on our balcony, taking a look at the Seahawks Stadium. We can hear the roar of the crowd every now and then, and the Saints are winning. Who dat?
All of our Seahawks fans.
On deck 5 right now to get the kids checked in at Entourage. It's not open until 4:30, so we'll come back. Y'all show us where the video arcade is.
So I can show you the $10 VR thing.
Oh my gosh.
Which has an HTC Vive, which is about like $300. I guess it's not today for stupid children.
Alright, lead the way, guys.
I may actually spend $10 on that thing just to see how it is.
You may not.
Sure.
You go spend your money? Okay.
Maybe not.
Okay, here's the video arcade. Oh yeah, you and Ryan definitely have to do that. And Colby's favorite game on the face of the earth, Injustice. How many cards did you bring with you? Show us your cards.
I brought 4 cards, and they're the best cards that I have.
This is how much he likes Injustice. He brings his cards with him.
My favorite superhero, I've got Flash. Another Flash. First Flash, and then CW Flash.
Ah.
This one's the best, and this one. These two are the best I've had.
Look, that's how much he likes this game.
Yeah, it's like The Price is Right. Come on down.
No. Oh, is this the VR game you're talking about? So it costs $10 to play this game.
Yeah, I mean, so they're right there.
But it's just like a, I mean, there's the screen up there.
Yeah, that's what you see.
That, oh, no. They have this on the, this is not worth $10.
I know.
We did this exact thing on the Joy. It is definitely not worth $10.
It's $10. It's this whole thing right here.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Don't waste your money.
I'm not.
Yeah, y'all can do that, or y'all can go play laser tag for the same amount of money. Go play laser tag.
Laser tag.
A Willy Wonka machine?
Yeah.
Creepy. Oh, it's a battle pod. Get in. Oh, this is cool. You already played it? How much is this?
$340.
Oh, that's not bad.
Huh?
How much?
$340.
$340.
It's really fun. You get 2 rounds. That's what I did. I got 2 rounds. It was really fun. If the VR thing was this much,
Yeah.
the only reason it's 10 is the headset.
Do it if you want.
I told Colby he should drive this like a normal car.
And you can't.
You can. It like doesn't automatic like bring you to like 100.
All right, come on, guys. Into Entourage. Why do I smell French fries?
So this is the Entourage Teen Club. Cameron and Colby are going to enjoy this during their cruise. Lisa's over there getting them checked in and all booked up. But pretty big, roomy area. Looks like you got a dance floor right here. Got some TVs. Looks like they do movie nights. Here's where the DJ scratches off the dance music, and kids can play games. These chairs are pretty neat. Look at that. You swivel and move around. You sit real low in them. Kick back, play your games. Yeah, the kids will enjoy this space quite a bit. Also, you have air hockey over here. One of the best things about cruising, chocolate covered strawberries.
Oh yeah. All right, dig in, boys. I know y'all want them.
World's disappearing act. Fastest disappearing.
Oh no. Yes, when you can go out on your balcony in Seattle and eat a chocolate covered strawberry. Life is good, huh?
Don't go anywhere. Grab yourself a drink, get yourselves in the mood. We're having a dance floor and kicking the cruise off in style very soon.
Sail away time. Bye, Seattle.
See you, Seattle. See you, Seattle. Hey, it's a really good sail away because the Saints won and we're sailing away on a 7-day Alaska cruise. Today, good day. Oh yeah.
We're sailing away. Goodbye, Seattle. Our Saints just won right there. Seahawks Stadium. Heck yeah, who dat?
You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. AC's going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. like it never stop. Can you bring it to the top?
I just realized I look like a BG. Hey, so I couldn't get Michelob Ultra and a can, so I had to go Coors Light.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
We're going upstairs now to look at all this stuff. So we found Margaritaville. This is a cool freaking Margaritaville. Look at these benches. Oh yeah.
They're probably gonna lock.
Got to walk right now, yeah.
But yeah, they slide open.
Pull this in, slide over. And we sit there and film the sunrise.
Yeah, it's a good place to watch sunrise.
Yeah. And also, you can eat breakfast here. A little nice little tip. You can sneak up here, get you a nice quiet breakfast.
Yep.
Right here, they got
It's not as open, you know, it's not the variety, but
basics like biscuits and gravy and sausage and eggs, you know, the things that really
Yeah.
staples.
what day are we doing our bar crawl? Tomorrow?
Around here?
Oh, I didn't know we weren't doing it all week.
No, I mean, okay. No, we're gonna do an official bar crawl where we go to every single bar in one day.
Hey, I made it. Look, I made a little joke earlier. I was like, you know, I'm already a little dude. I told Brian, you know, the bad thing about you being with me all week is, you know, we do videos and you really make me look small.
I gotta raise the camera up a lot higher than usual.
Hey, I am small, but this is my big buddy. Okay, everybody thinks he's my bodyguard. He's also my guitar player in my band.
Yes.
And he also just got voted #1 food truck in Sinla.
Yes.
Tate's Tacos got #1 best food truck in Sinla, which was where
We
we're
were
from.
super stoked about that.
That's really incredible.
Physically scrape it off and put it in the trash.
Oh, there's football on.
Huh?
Not that we care about that game, but it's Rams and Browns, it looks like.
All right, so let's go back out here.
We're gonna go to Spice H2O.
Spice H2O.
Yeah, so from Margaritaville, you go to Spice H2O.
Here at Spice H2O.
There is a bar in Spice H2O, and it's an adults only area,
Oh, yeah.
except when they're having deck parties. Then it's open for everybody.
Now I'm gonna tell you, it is like windy back here. Because this is,
You've been back here.
yeah, this is where the smoking section is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I found this out.
Oh, by the bar, yeah.
Yeah.
On the breakaway, there was a box on the pool deck where we smoked, remember?
Yeah, there's not one on the ship.
There's not, yeah, see, on the breakaway, they don't have it. Look at our trail.
Yeah.
Oh, I
It was
love
so
that.
windy out here earlier. I bought a shot, and the guy set it on the table, and it strolled down like the wind blew it down, and people freaked out.
Oh my
And
god.
it's like, thanks.
Okay, this is what I wanted to see. What
Yeah. So it's not a hot tub. It's like a,
Like a waterfall.
yeah, it's a waterfall. So probably not,
Like if you're laying out, you can cool off.
yeah, okay, so not the best thing for Alaska,
Yeah.
but
Let's go find out now.
but this
Take your
ship,
phone out of your pocket.
this ship also does warm weather cruises.
It's not heated.
That is not needed. No. We are going in the Garden Cafe for dinner,
Garden Cafe.
because that's what the boys want.
We're gonna see what they got to offer here tonight.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Garden Cafe buffet.
Yes, buffet. This is the same place we ate for lunch.
Good nobody.
You look great in a beanie. They have strip loin tonight. So Jason's happy, his little carnivore self.
We look good in a beanie.
You do look good in a beanie.
Washy, washy, washy.
Washy washy.
Rinsey, rinsey, rinsey.
Washy washy. Washy washy. So this is our view for dinner. Yeah, pretty awesome. We got all the way at the very, very front of the Garden Cafe. So we've got the view down to the observation lounge. Light. It's dark. There we go. And out the front of the ship. So we pushed 2 tables together. So all of us can sit together. Oh. So this is going to be pretty darn perfect for everybody went at buffet. We're still enjoying exploring the ship, so we didn't want to sit down for a long dinner. So everybody can go get what they want, sit at the table, chill out. It's gonna be good. So we're having dinner at the Garden Cafe. This is mine. I've got a cheese soup, grilled chicken, mashed potatoes and gravy, some vegetables, a little bit of stir fry.
And I got some French onion soup, basically a bowl of sodium.
And you did not get
gonna be like a puffer
the
fish
giant
after this.
crouton that normally goes with French onion
No,
soup.
I'm on a low carb diet, and you know how I do. I'll probably break. There'll probably be a video somewhere along the lines where I snap the third day, or fourth day, where I'm just gonna eat like 20,000 desserts.
Second day.
But this is good, and then I got the strip sirloin,
Which is the special for the night on the buffet.
which is the special for tonight. Also with the horseradish sauce, mushrooms, and some meat and cheese. That's all.
Very protein friendly, huh?
Very protein friendly, low carb friendly. My buddy did the same thing. Except he told me his words. These are his words now.
slow carbing it.
He said I'm slow carbing it. He said I'm kind of on a low carb on this trip. So we're gonna see how that goes. So we'll see how that happens.
You gotta have a hummus.
How is the steak?
It's good.
Yeah, the boys already ate for the most part. So Colby went and got a giant pile of mashed potatoes
Why not?
after his other plate.
Cameron's
that at
already
home.
dessert.
Yeah, we do that at home.
Yeah,
Beautiful picture of the sunset.
that is an amazing picture.
Best.
And Cameron has his go-to,
I wish
I don't get this often.
yeah, rainbow sherbet ice cream cone. So let's see how this cheese soup is.
But the meat is very tender.
How is it?
It's kind of weird.
It's a good, perfect medium rare.
Mom, I have no idea how you're having
Kind of weird. Okay, so I've got some peppered chicken from the Asian area.
We missed the Asian. I missed the Asian.
I didn't see anything.
I didn't. Where did you find that?
That way.
I didn't see it. I want to go back there. I like
That's
Asian
good.
food. I love Asian food.
That is good.
That is an onion. A round onion. A little bitty baby round onion. And it is delightful to eat. It's very good. I guess they call that pearl onions.
Yeah.
Okay, that was not good. Alright, I got a piece of grilled chicken.
Ooh.
Let's see if it's any good.
It doesn't look good.
It looks kind of dry. But
It
let's
looks
see.
like something you could get at a Kroger.
It's not cutting very well, so let's...
That's not a
I'm
good
trying to
sign.
be optimistic.
Man, you should never ever put
Yeah,
that on
that's
your
not
plate.
good. That's
What
not
are you thinking putting that on your plate? You didn't get that in a frozen bag at Kroger. Take a little bite of steak. Okay. Now we've cruised Norwegian before, and I know that the buffet is pretty good. It's pretty good for cruise ships. Is it stellar? No. That steak is cooked very good. It's cooked very tender. Kind of like you. Horseradish sauce needs to be a little needs to hit a little hotter. Be a little hotter. It needs to hit a little hotter. But other than that, not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna go back and try some of that Asian food though. The French onion soup was pretty good. I've had better. I've had worse. It's pretty good though. I mean, it gets the job done for sure.
Go.
Okay, so they have scones. And I've had scones with the cream, but everybody says you have to have scones with the jam and the cream.
So is this a normal scone or a chocolate scone?
It's technically a chocolate scone, but look, jam. No!
More jam. More
It's
jam.
falling apart. Okay, hang on.
More jam.
And
Rip.
all you English folks are gonna fuss at me from the way I'm eating my scone.
They always do.
Oh yeah. That's so good. Yeah, the jam makes a huge difference on a scone.
I like scones.
Really good.
So do you think the English folk were right? And us as Southerners have been eating it very,
Well,
very
here's
wrong?
the thing. When we've had scones before, they were on Carnival during tea time, and jam was not an option. So, ha! Ah!
More jam.
I'm really trying to make this perfect and I'm screwing it up. Okay. So look, there is a perfect bite with scone.
Yes, boom.
And jam and cream.
That's a pro. Now that's a friggin' pro right there. That man knows how to
At
listen.
least his teeth didn't come out. What? Oh,